In this video, I am going to show you 4 different units for rotating tags or elements in your HTML or in your web pages. So the first one is degree. You may already be familiar with this, and you can use this. And for this demonstration, I'm using transform and then rotate. And here I am just passing 0. So now let's change it to something else so that we can see what's going to happen. Let's change this to 90. As you can see, the P element or paragraph is now at 90, rotated at 90 degree. So let's change it to 180. Now it is changed to 180. So you can use degree to rotate elements or tags in your HTML document or in your web page. And the whole UI is 360, so you can go from 0 to 360 degree. As you can see, it is now again in the straight. And if you are using Chrome, so you can experiment with this. If you click on this clock type icon, it will appear this, and now you can drag this to whatever degree you want. So you can change this to whatever you want, and you can align it to whatever your requirement is. So you can use this to rotate it to any degree you want. So now let's leave it on 0. Now you can see it is 0. Now let's talk about the next one, which is red. So it is similar to degree, but here we have just 6.23 etc. So kind of 2 pi r. It works in 2 pi r. You might already, if you know about finding the radius of any circle using that formula 2 pi r, then this is using that formula to find the and to rotate the element accordingly. So now if I go here, as you can see, it is 1.6 something, and it seems like it is on 90 degree. So you can use this unit as well, red. The next one I want to talk about is grade. So it's 0 grade, and we will use this, and the grade unit start from 0 and goes to 400. So there are 400 units or sections or grades in the web page, and you can rotate that element or tag 400 grades. So the 200 is on 180 if you consider degree, and you can, for alignment, you can use this feature of Chrome to align it to whatever you want to. But you have to know this, the grade unit can be used to rotate the things instead of degree or grade or red. You can use grade as well. Now let's talk about the next one, which is turn. So the turn unit starts from 0 and goes to 1. So 1 turn equal to 360 degree, and 0.5 it is 180 degree, and so on and so forth. So you can use this as well to rotate elements or tags in your web document. And for alignment, and you can experiment with this Chrome feature. Just click on shift and click on this icon. As you can see, it is automatically changing to different 4 units. So now it is again turn 0.85 turn. If I click here, this clock type, this icon appears. Now you can move it to whatever you want. So these are the 4 units you can use for rotating elements or tags in your web page. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.